No matter how much frugal or careful you are in dealing and spending money, still, at some point, you tend to make mistakes. And even some of the minor errors you overlook have a terrible impact and snowball into significant financial problems down the line. That's why money management is the only rescue, and you can comprehend money management by analyzing your money mistakes. Welcome to Wisdomosity. Today, in this video, we count 11 money mistakes and how to fix them. So, stay in touch till last. If you are new to the channel, subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon to get updated on new videos from Wisdomosity. 11. Excessive and mindless spending. Have you ever considered the money you spent after enjoying a cinema movie or buying a cup of tasty cappuccino? The answer to most of you is no. Spending mindlessly depletes your saving pool instantly. When you spend your bucks on dine-outs or going to fancy restaurants to give your friends feasts, you pay $25 a week and $13 per year. If you are not financially stable, then even $1 should matter to you. It would be best if you made a spending plan in your mind, which will ultimately save you from overspending. 10. Impulsive buying habits. Who doesn't love shopping? Of course, we all do, but due to impulsive buying habit, we buy lots of unnecessary and unplanned things. Shopping certainly makes you feel better, but it becomes alarming when impulse buying and love for shopping convert into an addiction. Even according to a recent survey, an average person in America tends to consume $314 each month on spontaneous or impulse purchases. Since every little item adds up the most, you should disable one-click buying whenever you shop online and unsubscribe yourself from shopping newsletters. In the same way, don't spend your extra bucks on alluring sales. 9. No savings for retirement. It is never too early to begin making a retirement plan. The best time for saving is today. Most of the time, we make money mistake by focusing on short-term goals and, in return, ignoring the long-term goals. At the start of the career, no one heeds on saving for post-work years, providing maximum retirement returns. And if you don't save or invest, you will ultimately struggle in later life to meet ends and get trapped in further debts. All you need to do is to invest in fixed deposits, or you can also get profit from the numerous government-sponsored schemes. 8. Focusing too much on saving money. Undoubtedly, safety net of a saving account is crucial. Still, people become obsessed with it and over-focus only on maximizing their money. Focusing too much on saving money can compromise your social connections, once-in-a-lifetime experiences, and amusements. Therefore, it is advised that you should take money as a token of fun and make space in your budget for comfort spending as well. 7. Avoid making budget. People with handsome earnings feel so confident that they ignore devising a budget plan, leading to a severe money mistake. People ignore budgeting because it is too time-consuming or they don't have much income. But having a budget and financial management keeps you on track and you get aware of your spending. It also helps you to cut non-essential consumption. Data shows that 85% of people are out of debt because they maintain budgeting. 6. Wrong investment plans. Every one of you wants to invest money for financial security, yet you do not benefit from investments due to common mistakes. Either you procrastinate investing and leave all the cash in their bank accounts, or you invest more of your money without any financial reserves. As experts suggest that if you need your saved cash within 3 years, you should not invest in stocks. 5. Excessive investing in temporary assets like cryptocurrency. Because of social media, you come across news of someone suddenly becoming wealthy by investing in NFTs. These current assets like NFTs and cryptocurrencies may have appealing potential growth. However, ignoring their instability can put your economic security in severe danger. While being a young investor, you try to accumulate wealth through these short-term methods. But investing all of your funds in high-risk securities like NFTs or cryptocurrencies is exceedingly risky and a mistake. Are you still with us and enjoying the video? Let us know in the comment section below what are the common money mistakes you have ever made in your life. And if this video is informative, what is holding you back from giving a thumbs up? Done. Let's continue now. 4. Accumulating debt and delaying payment. When you pile up a lot of debts, such as car payments or credit card debts, you find it difficult where to start. Ignoring repayment drags you into the quagmire of rising interest rates and dropping credit scores. So, to avoid piling up debts, you must devise a debt repayment strategy. Prioritize those with higher interest rates, then work your way down. Consider debt consolidation if you struggle to keep up with many loan repayments. 3. Paying off debt wrongly. Yes, it becomes scary if you have to pay debts, but it is even daunting if you try to pay in a hurry. Be patient and prudent while paying off debts. You make a mistake if you try to pay your debts with savings or keep an eye on only debt repayments. While paying off your debts, you should continue your savings as well. Debt repayment shouldn't put a halt to almost everything. In the same way, once you pay all your debt, you try to keep up the same level of spending, which means you risk getting into debt once more. You must live as though you still owe money to your retirement fund if you want to pay off your debt with savings. 2. Living paycheck to paycheck. According to a recent study from America, almost 61%, that is 157 million people, live paycheck to paycheck. When you live beyond your means and overspend, you borrow money for unexpected expenses. Let's elaborate more. When you spend every penny you earn, you cannot save anything. So, it would be best if you started living within your means, perhaps by paying all of your bills and living expenses or setting money aside for savings. If that seems complicated, you should consider a side gig. 1. Using payday loans. If you find difficulty meeting your ends, you turn to payday loans because they are handy and easy to access. According to a survey, 12 million adults utilize this short-term loan to pay recurring expenses like bills, rent or mortgage, and even food. You do not know that it can lead to other financial problems. These loans have extraordinarily higher interest rates, and even payday lending companies deduct money from your accounts without your permission. That's why you should make every effort to stay away from payday loans. It was all about today's video. See you in the following video. Till then, goodbye.